Hey guys, I'm back with Catbird. Yeah, I forgot the title of the game, but yeah, we're proceeding to level 4, the Breaker, and this is hard. I can already tell. oh, just grab things. All right, there's a key up there, and jump. All right, that sucks. Oh, those things are good. Okay, so I got one key. The keys unlock doors if you don't know. Because that's what keys do. Oh, okay. Bombs. Okay, so let's go this way. No, let's go this way because right is always right. So press that button here and go again. Okay, wait. It says there's an ambush, so I do not want to. Oh, okay. By the way, in like every other game, you can push boxes. No. Alright. Oh yeah. Alright, unlock that door. And I love how when you're teleporting into another level, you're like a spinning ball. Oh, that was. Oh! Wow, that's a cool mechanic. No, no. Okay, that was easy. Oof, these levels are getting really short. Sneeze. Sneeze again. Great race. Oh, that's cool. I love all the races. That's so cool. Alright, that's cool. Okay, always jump. My death counter's up there. Top left corner, I believe. Oh, yeah, sure, okay. This is gonna be a long level. Oh, yeah, that's unfair. Oh, yeah. Okay, remember. Oh wait, yeah, because yeah, that sucks. Okay, I have to make it really quick. You know what? I'm not even a cat. I just realized I'm just a bat. I'm just a white bat. A bat with big ears and a color white bat with big ears and oh yeah, you don't have to press the button. Okay. What the heck? Okay, yeah, I made it. Oh. Oh. Okay, wait. I think that's where I'm gonna end here. Another grueling 8 minutes, 78 MB to upload. I'm crunching videos. Woo! Alright. Goodbye.